Look at that.
This is Alina's cat. We're doing the Earth and Moon! Go.
Earth? Moon.
Moon! Now we know all your inquisitive minds are asking, what causes one object to orbit another?
Gravity causes one object to orbit another.
Gravity causes one object to orbit another.
Gotta do this now. I have quite a lot of characteristics. Okay, you guys.
Yummy!
She's fed?
I don't know.
It doesn't matter.
The process of our skit. It's just wonderful. Oh, wait, that shot. How our group works.
Jeanette, I have to cut this out. Say it while I'm filming.
Hello. Where did it go? Here we go. That's our moon, but it's broad daylight, so it's kind of small. We'll zoom.
It's gonna be out of focus.
Is it on? Whoa, that's blurry.
Another question you might be pondering is, what are the major characteristics of the moon?
Ugly.
No, sorry, that's not the
We
moon.
don't get the.
Wait!
There are many characteristics of the moon. The moon measures about 1/4 the diameter of the Earth, and the gravity of the moon is less than the Earth. It is about 1/6 that of the Earth, so objects weigh less on moon. There are many craters because it was hit because the moon was hit by many meteorites. The average distance to the moon is about 305,000 kilometers, and the circumference of the moon is about 11,000 kilometers. Noonday temperatures on the moon may rise above 100 degrees Celsius, and the moon is a dry, airless, and barren world.
Jamie had to leave, so we did her first.
You guys wait for freaking back.
Do you know where the moon came from? Well, here are two theories. Theory number one. The moon may have been formed millions or billions of kilometers away from Earth, and it caught in the gravity of Earth later. Theory number two. It was born when a giant asteroid struck Earth, tearing part of it off. The Pacific Ocean might be the hole left in Earth from where land was stored. Stop it.
What?
Theory number two. It was born when a giant asteroid struck Earth, tearing part of it off. The Pacific Ocean may be the hole left in Earth from where land was torn off. This is based on moon rock information. Any water would have evaporated.
Here's our magical cat of the Earth and Moon. Oh, wise one. We worship you.
No, we don't.
Why would we worship somebody who sniffs leaves?
Did you know that the Earth has a tilted axis?
No.
It is tilted at an angle of 23 degrees, which explains the change in the length of day and night throughout the year. Many sphere-shaped objects have bulges at the middle when they rotate. Earth bulges at the equator.
What is this little moon composed of?
The moon is made of oxygen, which is in the form of water, and silicon, aluminum, iron, and titanium.
Now, what is this lovely Earth composed of?
The Earth is made of a solid core that is in the center and is surrounded by dense, bubbling mass of superheated molten rock. And also, the mantle, there's an outer liquid core. There's an outer liquid core and an inner solid core. And the crust, and it's 2,900 kilometers thick. And then the outer shell, which is 100 kilometers thick. And then there's alkali, metals, carbon, and nitrogen.
Yay! has a great impact on our Earth. One of the impacts it has is tides. Tides are the periodic rise and fall of the sea surface occurring once or twice a day. They are caused by the gravitational attraction of the sun and the moon. Tides are caused by the centrifugal force due to the rotation of the Earth-Moon system. The moon's gravitational gravitation pulls the water into a bulge on the side of the Earth under the moon, and centrifugal force produces a similar bulge on the opposite side of the Earth. The largest tide is called a spring tide, and the smallest tide is called a neap tide. The daily rotation of the Earth causes different tidal heights at a given location. And that's all. You may be wondering what centrifugal force is, so here's a demonstration. Okay, so the bucket is full of water, and just a second and we'll do our demonstration.
By accident.
Okay.
Sorry, I'll point it in the bucket and you can talk. So put the
Wait,
bucket
did you
on the
get me
ground.
when I said centrifugal force?
I might have.
Oh, well, I'll just do it again.
Just here. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Go back over there, sorry.
Okay.
Okay. I'm ready when you are.
Centrifugal force kept all the water in this bucket and none spilled. That's the force that keeps the tide going high or low by the gravitation from the moon. See? It's still full of all its water. None spilled.
Oh, whoa, the moon moved. It was over there. Talk. Oh, cool.
You got it?
Hold on.
Okay. That's good enough.
Sprinklers. I want sprinklers.
Okay, stop.
Wait.
The moon also causes solar and lunar eclipses. This picture is of a solar eclipse when the moon comes directly in between the Earth and the sun. The point in the middle is called the umbra. It creates a dark spot where the Earth is totally dark and blacked out. And the green part is the penumbra, where the sky turns somewhat darker compared to a regular day. A lunar eclipse is when the moon is directly behind the Earth and the sun. Our Earth. Ooh. Our moon. I'm sure you thought you knew so much about our Earth and moon, but aren't you glad that you know so much more now? Thank you for watching.
Sprinklers. Car.
You almost stepped through it when this stuff went bad.
So they kind of like differ from each other a lot. They're like opposites. And another example is humans are separate from nature and do not obey natural laws. And then the sustainable one is humans are part of nature and obey natural laws. So they're kind of opposites.
The magical logbook says that many synthetic fuels are manufactured to replace renewable resources. And some examples are Cubic zirconia is manufactured to replace diamonds. And gasoline, well, scientists are trying to create a substance with water in it to replace gasoline so it won't pollute the air. And those are just some examples.
Ooh, if anybody missed that, well, you can look on the review sheet.
Look at those hard,
okay.
study faces.
Okay,
So stoic and innocent.
Phones.
There's
One for Ben
Alina.
and one for the caller.
okay, Jeanette, I did 4. I have it right here.
Okay, well, you know, Jamie, if you don't want to, you don't have to, but it'd probably be easier for you to be Ben because you know too. And then you can explain, Shauna can tell you the answer to one and you can say that. Just like tell her what it is so she knows, and then you can be Ben and you can say the answer to the 3 questions.
Here.
While
This
she
is my
asks them.
group.
The caller then.
Yeah.
I wrote it down right there. I put Ben answers. But they're all right there.
Well, what is?
And you could say people use cars as gasoline, you know? It's
video taking this.
describe how mankind
I'm
is
taking
using
this.
the Earth's resources. So I put renewable and non-renewable in there.
See?
Okay.
Okay, so how do you? The cars.
People are using gasoline in their cars. They're using copper for coins. They're using iron as vitamins for their health. They're using wood for paper. They're using snow for skiing. We're using soil for farming.
That's describing how mankind is using the Earth's resources.
Yeah.
Hi, can you see me?
Yes, I can. Hello? Hello? I can't hear anything.
Okay. We have one more and we're done. Pretty much.
We should watch the video, honestly.
Yeah.
At the end.
Well, like
Oh,
we
did
wait
they go
for
to
parents to come, we can watch it. Huh? Yeah, the mom. We'll think of ideas while we watch the video. Like, how about this? Tomorrow we have a guest speaker. Sounds like my friends make fun of me because, like, they have this invitation and we're like at the mall. They go, okay, it's 3:00 now. If we go to Contempo in 5 minutes, we can finish in 10 and then go to McDonald's. And they have this thing about me and like plans. Like I'm always so like, I don't really.
Wait, don't press record.
Sandals.
And then you say,
A piece
hi, I'm
of
from
work.
blah, blah, blah. And then ask the
Wow.
questions, answer the questions.
Wait till I dial before you press. You guys want me to call, right? Okay, Greenpeace. 1-800-326-69.
Hello, this is Ben.
Hi, I'm from Charlotte Wood and I'm doing a science project. I wonder if you could help me with some of my questions.
What are the questions?
Okay. First, one of us wants to know if you can describe how mankind is using Earth's resources.
Well, cars use gasoline, and coins use copper. Iron used for vitamins, which is for your health. Take wood. I don't know this. Wood uses pig. I don't know.
Ben? Where'd you go? You put me on hold? What? Ew, who are you using? Hello? Hello? I
Okay.
can't hear anything.
Paper is from wood,
Oh.
and skiing use snow, and farming use soil.
Okay, that was very helpful. It was number 5, right, guys?
Yeah, it was, sure was.
Okay. What is being done to manage dwindling resources?
We should use less, such as. Well, are you recording? Okay. Well, we should use less, such as fossil fuels, copper, and iron, which are all non-renewable resources.
Okay, and my last question is, What can you do to preserve non-renewable resources?
Well, we should be careful with toxic chemicals and use less. And we can recycle and use alternative resources like wind and solar. We should use wind and solar instead of fossil fuels.
Okay. Then I have one last question that's kind of